Nebraskans can finally escape the frigid winter as spring temperatures make way into the state. However, the rate of the snow and ice melting can spark potential flooding concerns in Nebraska. Hydrologist David Pearson says the National Weather Service is monitoring the potential flooding risk in the Platte, Elkhorn, and Loup rivers of eastern Nebraska.
We watch all the rivers, but there's always those areas that tend to get picked on the most.
Ice jams contributed to the 2019 floods as they decimated parts of Nebraska. They are formed by the rapid melting of snow and ice through warmer temperatures. However, Pearson says it's more than just snow and ice contributing to the issue.
It really depends on how fast it breaks up, because at some point the ice is going to melt, break up, and start moving. And at some point it's going to stop moving. It just depends on how much water's in the river and how thick the ice is.
There are already reports of ice jams causing floods outside of Schuyler, Nebraska on the Highway 15 bridge. Outside of the ice jam potential in other areas, Pearson says the flooding risk won't be too high when compared with 2019.
That's largely because the soils are fairly dry from the ongoing drought. We don't have a large area of snow to melt, and it's melting fairly slowly, which is a good thing. And so now we're just watching to see how the spring rains develop.
Pearson recommends any concerned residents living in the flood risk areas to check for updates with their weather forecast. He also says it's not a bad idea to start moving belongings to higher ground.
If you're somebody that floods more than not, consider taking actions now.
For the Omaha News, I'm Joey Colbert.